Alright, we got a 2010 Jeep with the old 3.8 V8. We're going to give you a quick little ditty here on how to change out your oil pressure switch. So it's just a one wire switch, and that one wire, I believe, is going to be looking for ground. Here she is here. Here's the brand new O'Reilly Master Pro part number made in Mexico. When did you ever think you'd say that and be kind of relieved? Something not made in China. That's sweet. Alright, so it is right there, and we'll kind of come back out here to give you an idea where it's at. I don't see how you can really get it from the top. From the bottom, it looks like a nightmare. It's pretty much behind the oil filter and the lower radiator hose up from the oil filter. So what I find to work the best is take out your inner fender, the little plastic clippy clips, kind of fold her back like a taco, like Taco Tuesday, and then you go in there. It's a little clip. I already pulled this off. So you got the little red thing you gotta push off the side, and then you gotta feel around in there and get the G-spot. And you know, sometimes she comes real easy, sometimes not. Sometimes you gotta work on it. Just remember, breathe. You always gotta breathe, right? So once you get that off, then you get yourself a deep well socket of the nature of, what size is it? 1/16. Or excuse me, 5/16. And you're gonna stick it on there and back her out. So you get yourself a setup like so. And then what you want to do is get it impact and just full send as many ugga-dugs as you want. Back her out like this. I can't really do this with the phone, so I'm gonna back her out and grab the new one and throw her back in. Alright, we got the new one in. Now we're gonna go back in deep. Yeah, I'm making this look easy, I know. Come on, you son of a bitch. Unless I'm fumble fucking around here. I did check the oil pressure on her. Oh! Did you hear the snap, or was that just my back? I think we got her. Oh, no, maybe not. Something ain't right, boys. Why you no go? Huh. May have to investigate this one. Anyway, I checked the oil pressure on it, and she had about 66 to 63 pounds at idle with so yeah, I know we got oil pressure, so it has to be this or the wire. I don't understand what I'm doing around here. So that's the high side of the thing, so that should be up, this should be down. One dingus on there, one dingus on there. Our red rubber looks okay, right? Yeah. Huh? Don't succeed, try again. Alright, we got her. We got her. Just had to hit her with the hammer a little bit and smash that wire into oblivion, and then it snapped down there. That should work out lovely. Looks like a screw's loose there. What the hell is that from? I don't know. That's good. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we have an oil light. There's the oil light. Start her up. Ooh. She go out quick. So yeah, if you're too cheap to buy the $10 to $15 sender and you want your oil light to go off, just strip that wire off and put it to ground. That should make her go quiet. Hope that helps someone. Short and sweet. Good luck.